What's going on, y'all? Finally have time today to install some parts that I bought for the 350Z, and I've been sitting on them for quite some time. So with my schedule just not allowing me to be able to install them, I'm able to today. It's not raining like it was yesterday, so let's get this done. Let me show you guys what I got. So I got a new energy bucket seat with brackets and sliders already. Got a new steering wheel. I've actually had the steering wheel sitting for a while. Got a quick release. And then I figured I've had this mirror for years. It's been on every single one of my cars. And those of you guys who know me know what that mirror has been through. So we're going to go ahead and install it on the Z today. Now the seat does not have a bottom foam piece right here. Which I was completely fine with buying it that way because I plan on putting a custom piece there anyways. I don't like how the stock one normally sits up that high. Since I'm taller, I want it to be more slim, so I'm going to make my own, and I'm going to I have an idea with what I want to do with that. So I really don't have an issue with missing that, at least for right now. But I actually got this seat for a very good deal. I got the seat, the brackets, and the sliders for $300. It's already got everything that it needs to go. It came out of a 350Z, so it just should be pretty easy to put in. And then the steering wheel, we're going to swap out the quick release that's currently on the car, put this one on with a deeper dish steering wheel. And then obviously this thing's going to be easy. You just clip it right on. So let's get to it. First I'm going to move the car up. Alright, so I figured actually starting with the steering wheel would be best. Then the seat. And then as a last finishing touch, we'll do the rearview mirror. Just like sentimental thing, I guess you could say. I'm going to take this quick release off. It's low-key cold outside today, man. The top of the mountains up there in the background, you probably can't see right now. Had snow on them this morning. Looks so pretty. It's crazy. Oof, looks like a mess in there. Alright, I gotta get a freaking ratchet for this thing. I'm gonna have to change it. Turn it over that way. It's weird. So that's the center hole. It's supposed to be at the top. However, did I do that? Bro, I don't even remember. Anyway, let's fix it. There we go. I'm gonna have to put this back on to put the steering wheel back on to pull it off. Okay, cool. Got that on. There we go. Alright, let's see. Let me get this thing off, man. There we go. That's what we want. Okay. Turn this guy. There we go. So energy's gonna be at the top. There we go. Now let's try to get these in here without like stuffing the crap out of them like they were before. And I'm hoping that my blinkers will work again. Okay, I think we're gonna run it like that. They're kind of spread out, not completely just smashed. So let's go ahead and get this guy on. Make sure that wire doesn't get pinched. Cool. We'll get this guy on right now. All right, so we got the base on for the quick release. Now, let's see what she looks like. I like the way it feels. However, I don't know if I like the little flaps. I don't know if I like that. Yeah, I don't know. I like the way the steering wheel feels. I like how deep it is. Better than the flat one. Now, hopefully, with the bucket seat, I'll sit lower and it might just feel like a drift car. All right, so now moving to the seat. There's literally two 14mm bolts right here. One here, one on this side. Wow, this car still, let me see if the rear ones have it. This car still has the plastic covers for the bolts on the seat. This car's actually in very good condition, minus the paint and this tear on the seat. It's got all the plastics in the interior. This car's in really good condition, man. Low-key, I don't even want to drift this car. I think I just want to clean it up. Like, maybe get a paint job or a wrap and freaking have a clean Z, because everything that's out right now on the streets that you see driving around is generally clapped out or takeover cars, and I hate that. Front two are out. That's money. All right, let's see what we got under the seat. Minus some dirt. I mean, we got a cool ring, penny, nickel, and a rock, gum wrapper. Well, I'm going to go grab a vacuum and get this cleaned up. Alright, so I actually went ahead and vacuumed this seat and got it all cleaned up, and realized that I'm gonna have to put the seatbelt mechanism. So I'm actually gonna take this off right here and put that over here onto this bracket, so that way I have the seatbelt that I just may or may not wear. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off now. It looks like it's a 14mm, just like the bolts to take out the seat. I know I have a nut that will fit this bolt to fit onto the bracket of the seat, but I'm just trying to get the seat in right now, so I will look for that at a later day. I don't plan on driving the car, so at least anytime soon. Can't forget the little plastic covers. Keep this car nice. Let's see. Damn, I'm so excited to sit in this right now. And it sits pretty high. I mean, it's not horrible. Let's see. It don't feel bad. I'm just not sitting as low as I was in the other seat. I can sit lower, but I don't know. I have mixed feelings about this. Low-key, I kind of prefer the stock seat. All right, so the last piece of the puzzle, kicking it old school back. Dang, it's like freaking 17 years old when I bought this thing. I had on my first car, my second car, my third car. Go for a little drive right quick. All right, so I was actually just looking at the Allens on the side of the seats, and it looks like I can actually, you know, like tilt the seat. I'll show you guys when I get back. But it looks like I have room to play with the seat to adjust the height and angle that the seat is positioned. So I think I'm gonna mess with that a little bit and adjust the angle of the seat to make the front of the seat up a little bit more and the rear of the seat down a little bit more, so I sit lower. But to be honest, as I'm driving, it's not that bad. I just feel like I'm all up in the freaking window and my head's about to hit the roof. It's a problem being tall and not skinny. Watch out for the po-po. I'll see you back at the house, show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, so these are the bolts that I'm talking about. I think I can move this one down one, which would bring the seat up more. I don't know, I gotta take it off and play with it, but I think I'm able to angle the front of the seat up with with what's available, and then angle the back seat down, I think. But we will see once we get there. I do have one little issue. This little edge of the seat hits the door panel right here, the door card. It's not bad though, like it doesn't keep the door open or anything like that. But I like it, looks good, it's comfortable. I'm not gonna lie, I think I like the angle that it's at. Yeah, I'm stoked, I'm actually happy. Let's check it out. Okay, so that is actually going to be it for today's video. That's all I have to do for the car. I have other little things that I have planned and things that I have purchased already. However, today I don't have the time to do them. So before I go, I wanted to show you guys some stuff that I actually got that will be used on the channel at some point. I don't know when, but I'm actually just happy to have it. So check this out. So during Christmas time, I actually got this little RC drift car. Apparently, so it's supposed to be like a RTR, which means ready to run. I just need a battery. So, and it's a little FRS body. I haven't opened it yet. Still sitting here in the garage. What else have I gotten? I got a little torch. Got another jack. I got some more jack stands actually. I got retractable extension cord, 50-footer. And then, I don't know if you can see that, what that says right there. This should give it a hint. Oh yeah. So, got some stuff coming. Just the time to do it. Got a family. I have a newborn son. He was born in December, so everything's been hectic. I've been working, so, you know, it's just, now I'm 30, so now I'm old, and now I have 2 kids. I feel old, my back hurts. No, I'm just kidding. I do feel 30 though. All jokes aside, I'm really happy with how the car turned out. I do plan on making more videos because I do have stuff for the Z lined up. So, and then for the FRS, I'm not going to give away the sneak peek surprise yet. But we have a welder for a reason. I'm pumped for what's ahead. And all in all, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do that. It means the world to me. I tell my wife all the time, oh my gosh, I got a subscriber. And it makes me happy. So if you guys don't mind, it's free, costs nothing. Subscribe to me. Don't forget to like and comment. Go ahead and engage with me in the comments. You know, I reply to every single comment, even the stupid ones. So I just want to thank you guys again. Thank you for watching so much, and God bless you guys. Peace.